Hi to all. So this video will be checking the homework answers for chapter 6, lesson 6, which was about multiplying special binomial products. If you would remember, if you have not watched the video for this lesson, please go and watch, and then only you can understand. Okay, so this is question number 1. Question number 1 says x plus 2 whole square. Now in the lesson we have already learned some um, formulas for solving these kinds of questions, right? So the formula for this is going to be, let me write it down here so that, and I'm not going to write it every time. This is just because you have to understand. So this is going to be a plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now before you start doing, just make sure that this is in that form, else you won't be able to solve it. So let's start doing this. This is going to be in place of a, and this is going to be in place of b. So it's going to be x square plus 2x plus multiplied by 2 plus b square. Okay, so this will give us x square plus 4x plus 4. So this is the answer if you multiply x plus 2 and by x plus 2. Similarly here, this is going to be a, this is going to be b. So it will be m square plus 2m4, that in place of b, plus b square. So this is going to be m square plus 8m plus 16. Okay, moving to question number 3, we have 3 plus a the whole square. There again we are using the same formula. Do remember the formula, do memorize them so that, because it will come throughout these lessons. So the first one will be a square. So in place of a it's 3, in place of b it's a. So it's going to be 3 square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to give you 9 plus 6a plus a square. Now as it is, you can leave it like that, but it is not okay if you leave, because it doesn't make any proper sense. So if you want to arrange it in a proper way, like a square plus 6a plus 9, it's fine, because always polynomials are arranged from the greatest degree. If you want to leave it like this, it's fine too. So the next one, it's going to be 2x square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to give us a 4x square, because the root square of 2 is 2, so 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. This will give you a 20x plus 25. They are easy, but then you need to be a bit careful when you're solving them. Okay, let's move to the next question. That's again the same. This is A and this is B. So it's going to be 3a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that's a 2 square again. So the square of 3 is going to give us 9. 3 3s are 9, because we need to multiply each term twice. So that's going to give us 9a square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12a plus 4. It's easy once it comes into practice and when you are writing all the terms correctly. So this one is going to be 6 square plus 2ab plus 5b square. So this is going to give us 6 are 36 plus 60b plus 25b square. 60 to 6 are 12, 12 5s are 60b. So 5 square of 5 is 25, and b square will be b square. Okay, let's move to question number 7. again here it's now minus. So if it is minus, it's the same one as the previous formula, but then there is a small difference because that's going to be minus 2ab rather than plus 2ab. It's going to be minus 2ab. Okay, so this is in place of a, this is in place of b. So this is going to be b square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to be b square minus 6b plus 9. As I'm not explaining in detail how to do all this, you all know now how to multiply and all that. So this is again going to be 8 square minus 2ab plus b square. If you want, you can put them inside the parentheses. So this is going to give you a 64 minus 16y plus y square. So this is the answer for question number 8. Now there are quite a lot of questions, but you have to use the same way. This is A, this is B. Okay, so this is going to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will give you a square minus 20a plus 100. 100, 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, so minus 20a plus 100. So this is going to be again ab. So that will make us write 3x square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to be 9x square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42x plus 49. It's easy, only it needs a bit of practice. You can do it perfectly. Okay, question number 11. Again, it's the same one. I'm not writing the formula again. So it's AB and it's with minus, so which means A minus B whole square. So this is going to be 4ma squared, right, minus 2ab plus b square. So this is going to give us 16m squared minus 72m plus 81. How 72m? 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are 72m, and then 81. Okay, moving to question number 12. This is AB. So again, you have to write the same. That's a squared minus 2ab minus plus b squared. So that's a 3n squared. So it's going to be 36 minus 36n plus 9n squared. Hopefully you must have got the answer right. It's not a difficult one, as I am saying. It needs a bit of practice, that's all. Okay. Question number 13. Now this is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So according to the formula, if you have this form a plus b, a minus b, all what you need to do is use the formula a square minus b square. That's all. Okay, so this is going to be a and this is going to be b. So it's going to be x square minus 3 square. That will be x square minus 9. Okay. Moving to question number 14. This is more easier than the other one also. So this is a and this is b. So this is going to give you 8 square minus y square. So 8 square is 64 minus y square. We are not really bothered about these signs here because the signs are already given in the formula. So we are really not gonna mess up with the signs. Just follow the formula. That's all. So this is a again and this is b. So this is going to be x square minus 6 square. So again, your answer will be x square minus 36. They are easy than the two previous ones. Okay, so this is going to be 5x square minus 2 square. So this is going to give you 25x square minus 4. Now you might wonder why we are putting this inside parentheses. It's better to put them inside parentheses, else it will look like a minus 2 to the power of 2. And you know, if it is minus 2 to the power of 2, the rules do change. It will be like minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, which will give you a positive 4. So it's wrong. So that's why we put them inside the parentheses. Moving to question number 17, we have 10x plus 7y, 10x minus 7y. So here again, this is A and this is B. So when you start writing, you have to start by writing A square. That is 10x square minus 7y square, which will give you 100x square minus 49y square. So the next one, this is A and this is B. So it's going to be x squared, because A is x squared, square also. This is from the formula, this is from the number. Okay, minus 3y squared. So this is going to be x to the power of 4, because we will be multiplying these two. 2 2s are 4. X to the power of 4 minus 9y squared. So this is what it's going to be. Okay, now moving on to question number 19. Now there is a rectangle. There are two rectangles in fact. So they said the length is 6 plus x here and the width is 6 minus x. Similarly, for the smaller rectangle, they said the length is 2 plus x and the width is 2 minus x. So the width is here. I'm writing it here, 2 minus x. Okay, so there's a bigger rectangle and a smaller one. Write a simplified expression that represents the area of the larger rectangle. So we want to find the area. What's the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length multiplied by the width, right? So we have the length and the width. So let's find the larger one first. So length of the larger one is 6 plus x, right? Multiplied by 6 minus x, which is the width. So the length is 6 plus x, width is 6 minus x. Okay, now it is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So you have to use that formula. What do you use? A square minus b square. So it's going to be a square minus b square. So that will give you 36 minus x square. So the area of the larger rectangle is 36x square. Now moving to the smaller one, the area of the smaller rectangle, okay. The area of the smaller rectangle, the length of the rectangle is 2 plus x and the width is 2 minus x. So it's going to be written this way, 2 plus x. We are just multiplying the width with the length so that to get the area. Now this is going to be 2 square. Now this is here a small mistake done because it should be outside, not inside. Here also. So this is going to be 6 square and x square. Okay. So 2 square minus x square. So that's going to give you a 4. The square of 2 is 4 minus x square. So the area of the large rectangle is 36 minus x square and the area of the smaller rectangle is 4 minus x square. Now they said find the area of the shaded area. Now in your book, if you see this part is shaded. Okay, so let me just do it with another color so that, okay, this part is shaded in your workbook. This, whole area except the smaller rectangle one. Okay, this is whole shaded part. Okay, so they said find the area of the shaded one. Now, the area of the larger rectangle was 36 minus x squared, and the area of the smaller rectangle was 4 minus x squared. So what do you do to find out the area of the shaded part? You simply subtract them. So 36 minus x squared, then you subtract that with 4 minus x squared. So how are you going to solve this kind of questions now? Simply subtract them. 36 minus 4 will give you a 32. Now minus x squared, right? So as you know, it's 0. So the answer for the A shaded area is going to be 32. Now you might ask, how did it minus minus become like 0? In fact, remember when we are subtracting, we will multiply first. So this becomes a plus sign. So minus 1 plus 1, that will give you a 0. In fact, this question is written in this way: x squared minus 4 minus x squared. So as I taught you before during when we are learning subtraction of polynomials, I told you to multiply them first, right? So what does that give you? That will give you a negative 4 plus x squared. So the answer is going to be 32. I know it would have been a bit confusing, but it's nothing like a big thing. It's okay to make mistakes anyways. So number 20, the small rectangle is made large by adding 2 units to the length and 2 units to the width. So what was the length of the smaller rectangle? The length of the small rectangle was 2 plus x. Now they made it bigger by adding 2 units. So just you have to add 2 units. So the new length is going to be 4 plus x. Okay, this for the length. Now we have to see for the width, right? So it is going to be, the width was 2 minus x. So they have added again 2 units. That's what the question says. So it is 4 minus x. So the new length is 4 plus x. The new width is 4 minus x. So the area of the smaller rectangle, the new smaller rectangle, is length multiplied by the width. So that will be 4 square minus x square. So that's going to give you a 16 minus x square. Because you have to use the formula a plus b, a minus b. So that is equal to a square minus b square. So it's going to be 16 minus x square. What is the area of the new shaded area? Now, what was the uh, area of the bigger rectangle we got? We got 36 minus x square. And of course, if they make this rectangle bigger, means the shaded area will become smaller. So you're going to subtract 36 minus x squared from this new area of the smaller rectangle. So 36 minus x squared minus 16 minus x squared. Now the rule remains same here. You have to multiply with negative sign. So when you multiply the negative with negative, that will become positive. So this gets cancelled because that will eventually give you a 0, and you'll be left with the answer 20. Now if you there will be only understanding problem in 21, sorry 9, 20 and 19, because they are the only two like different problem solving questions you got. That too not in finding the area but in subtracting them. Okay, so hopefully you have got the answers right for this lesson. So hopefully meet you in another video. Till then, if you have made any mistake, just try to do it by yourself again. So till we meet again, keep practicing and keep doing that.